In this tutorial, we'll discover how to view your grades and track your progress in Connect. We'll also explain how to use feedback from a graded assignment as a study tool. Begin by navigating to the upper left corner of your home page and click on the menu icon. Next, click on the Results tab and select your course. On your course results page, you'll see a list of your graded assignments, scores, and number of attempts. Your score will be provided in either points, percentages, or both, depending on how your instructor set up the course. For detail on your individual attempts, click the down arrow to the left of the assignment title. You can see scores for each attempt, as well as the date and time of submission and time on task. After an assignment has been submitted and graded, you will receive feedback for each individual question based on your instructor's specific settings. Reviewing assignment feedback allows you to learn from incorrect answers, which is a highly effective study tool. To view assignment feedback, click View Attempt. To see the correct answers, click the blue Show Correct Answers button. To return to seeing your answers, click Show My Answers. You can easily navigate through the questions by using the Next button. To return to the results page, click on the menu icon, then click on the Results tab. Lastly, let's explore Insight. Navigate to the upper left corner of your home page and click on the menu icon. Then click on the Insight tab. Insight is a visual tool designed to chart your course progress. It uses the data from your grades to provide helpful views of your own course trends. For example, in the How Am I Progressing view, each data point represents a submitted assignment. Assignment details may be viewed by clicking on the data points, which can provide helpful tips like letting you know if you have additional attempts remaining. To exit Insight, navigate to the upper left corner of the Insight menu and click the Leave Insight button.